Music is something that we all can't live without. Music is something that just makes us smile and we're happy inside and out. This show is a show that's going to only focus on the music. The music she'll be highlighted. You know, songs from their inception all the way until they're played on the radio. All right, so just sit back and get ready for the journey of a lifetime. This is the Bus Music Show. Greetings, Massive. I am Daddy Reds, the Reggae Ambassador, and I welcome you all to the Bus Music Show. On this show, we have a special guest by the name of Isha Blinda. That's right, legend in the making. And the song that we'll be discussing today is Have It. To me, I love the song. It's very powerful. And all I have to say is, Isha Blinda, Queen, it's a pleasure to have you on the Bus Music Show.
Thank you for having me on the Bus Music Show. Thank you, and blessings to all the listeners and the viewers tuning in. Isha Blinda said that, blessings.
Okay, first question. Can you take us to the first vibration of this song as it entered your being? I mean, really, from the first vibration all the way to everything that happened while you were writing this song.
The song came about when Dougie Benz reached out to me and he said, I have a mad rhythm and I want you to put something on it for the female them, And I'm like, okay, let me hear it. And when I hear it, like, I had writer's block for the first week, I won't lie to you. And I think when it get to crunch time, like he says, hey, I need the project because we're putting it out next week. And that's when I got my whole story and I just put it all out there because, like, I'm always for the lovers rock and, the more cultural side of it, even though this is still cultural and uplifting, nothing derogatory from that. And there you go, have it. Elaborating from what I said previously. Have it. Na yow yow. Yeah, them want to take it on one puppy show. All these guys are something else, and it's just to encourage the ladies, like, we're more than our physique. We have so much more to offer, Yeah, we have it. Beauty brain. So, when I was writing this song, it was very cold. It was very cold, like literally very cold. I never forgot it because I felt so uncomfortable on the inside. And I said, let me go outside. And it was me, my uncle, and my dad. And so whenever I'm writing a song, I always ask that, Daddy, what you think right here? So, Daddy, what you think about this? Him say, you think you easy. But it was on a cold day. I never forgot it. It was very cold for some reason. We sat outside, the rain was falling, and I sat in my dad's garage. And I just start writing, pitching different ideas, different verses. And he's like, nah. No, man, you're too personal right here, so take out that. And I'm like, okay, what you think about this then, Daddy? And him say, all right, then go on, man. Go on, man, and stuff like that. It was nice. It was nice. It was a nice vibe. And it was on a Sunday, too. It was on a Sunday. A day when you should be going to church and praise and say, hallelujah. I was writing a song cussing out the man.
Okay, I love that. Now that the song has been written down, what happened next on the way to the studio and when you made it to the studio? Were there any people there, any special events, any special circumstances? Just take it away, Queen.
Funny enough, when I finished writing the song that Sunday afternoon, I went straight to the studio. I didn't even get to do a demo or get to practice it, but I had remembered the melody from the top of my head, na 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 na, and so I remember the melody. So as long as you have the melody, words are not, you just read and carry on. Anyways, when I get to the studio, and I said, Libby is a female engineer. Her name is Libby because I work with different engineer based on the song, and I work with Libby. I get good chemistry from her and in the studio, and she said, okay, let me hear what you got. And I started singing. She stopped. She said, hold up. It's a personal. It's one of them song again. I said, how'd you know? She says, I could tell the way you started, girl. I says, It's one of them personal one again. And she just laughing. It was a nice vibe, I won't lie to you. And we just shot through it. But the second verse, I never had the second verse done pat. The second verse now, I didn't have that on pen and paper. I had a different second verse in mind. But then when I got to the studio, and just there vibing, feeding off Libby's vibe, and she said, yo, I can relate, man. And women always having issues with the man. She said, I can relate, man. And the second verse, she's like, I like that, but I kind of feel something else, And I'm there, and she said, dig in your bag, man. I know you got it in you, girl. And that's when I come up with, hit the road, Jack, no make them come back no more, no more, no more. And she said, yes, but, and so I kind of switched it over and add that to the last of it. Then the verse that comes in immediately after I done with the chorus, and it was just pure magic and fun, and she loved it. She said, booyaka, booyaka, the Americans, I call them wannabe Jamaicans, said, booyaka, booyaka, yeah, and nice feeling. It was nice.
Okay, understood. So the first time the song played on the radio, where were you, or what was the reception?
The first time I hear the song play was on Super Jams, yes, a radio station here in Florida, Super Jams Radio, with DJ Led and Chevy, and I did an interview. Yes, I did an interview with them. They premiered the song, and based on their reaction, Chevy said, "You'll find it." And then I got a video I posted on my page as well, and I think that was the first. No, I sent snippet. I had snippet on my page. The females I'm gonna present, and I got little videos on my page too, because I got a few female. One girl say, "Yo, my favorite song this."
Also, the first time that you performed this song.
And my first time performing it was in West Palm Beach. No, I performed it on the Dougie Benz Bus It or Flush It via Instagram, and then I performed it live at a Shania Mir show, and this one girl in the audience, she knew the song word for word. So for me, have it is a female anthem, is boosting our confidence, letting people know that women are more than what society portrays us to be today. Like they have women stereotype us, they're gold diggers, this and that, Chanel bag, this, that, they could use all sort of thing and bribe us, whether it be for cars, and them say, Charlene, a pretty car. We're not that type of girl, and that's what Have It is all about, is to shed light that we're more than just our looks or physique. Like, we have so much more to offer, and you can't just use money and all of them things that we try fascinate when no, we're making no, so we're independent. We have drive, and we're not independent because we're not in enough pen either. We're self-sufficient, self-reliant, strong, beautiful black queen, and we have it everywhere. We have it. Yes.
And last but not least, could you please give us a little acapella of the song? Here it is, massive. Isha Blender, Have It.
Me no yow no take me feelings for no tic-tac-toe. Me no market, you can't taste for you buy plum. If your feelings it no real, then you can't come bout, yeah. Where you think you can buy me, dine me, wine me. Pretty face, me no fool, no tree, no climb me. Daddy never raised no fool so kindly. Me no join your ex and O's no sign me. Queen in the pack, no you can't style me. Have me one of things so spade no try me. You can't confine me nor intertwine me. Then you go your ways and laugh behind me. My youth enough to stop it. And every woman you see walk and pop it. No female when I walk and drop it. Good as no care where you have in your pocket. Independent queen, yeah we have it. Work with one money, my youth say we have it. Yes, say we have it. We have it, we have it, we have it. My youth enough to stop it. And every woman you see walk and pop it. No female when I walk and drop it.